Christ. Jesus Christ. Oh shit. Alright, that was insane. Jesus Christ.
That was insanely loud.
Yeah, that was loud. LT1 Ghost right here. Tearing shit up with this two-step that now I want. Alright, so I'm filming with the GoPro now.
All cameras are dying now.
Yeah.
Mine's about to die.
My camera died, so now we're at Wheels Boutique open house. And it got crazy already. And the first thing you notice is that Pagani right there that just hauled ass that way. And Savage Garage in the car, of course. Alright guys, so yeah. So I was saying my other camera dies, which sucks. But at least I have the GoPro. And I can show you these cars. Alright man, look at the wheels on these things. I mean that's stock, but they had the first Chiron with aftermarket wheels. They literally got it off the truck and they put wheels on it.
We have one hook bait.
And of course they have the Prestige Pagani right here, Prestige Imports. A new 992 just showed up. Just shameless plug, I just reviewed this car. Check it out. 600 LT. That thing looks insane. And of course, Performante Spider. What's going on, man? Good, bro. I guess we're gonna go inside now and see the rest of the place. But holy crap, let's go inside. Look at this. Anarchy wheels. This was the guy that was at the collection. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but this guy was at the collection a few minutes ago. Another 600 LT. Oops. And of course, HRE wheels. How bad, dude? Go inside the facility now. Check this shit out. Very clean. Off the floors. But then there's the part where I'm really interested in. see mostly all the wheels that they have available. It's kind of like a quick recap, but yeah, they have so many wheels. They're all lightweight. They're very concave, which is something I really love. And I mean, in my opinion, this is my favorite wheel brand right now. Even though I can't afford them, but HRE and Anarchy are like fantastic. But yeah, let's continue around. Holy crap, guys! All right, so I told you about concave wheels. Look at this thing. Talk about the perfect fitment on these wheels. It's just insane. And then over here, just a casual Jaguar XJ 220. Just chilling. Nothing to, I guess nobody's looking at this car. I don't know why, because this thing is super rare. And of course, Anarchy wheels. On this beautiful Lambo, just look at the concavity. I mean, that's pretty freaking insane, if you ask me. I mean, game over when it comes to wheels and Lambos. Like, this probably killed it. Jeez.
No! Is that a Supra? Is that a Supra? Is that a Supra?
It's a Supra, guys. It's
Actually,
a Supra.
You're right, it is.
Yep, exactly. There's a Z4 with a different body, and it sounds a little bit nicer than the Z4. And it has a Toyota badge. I mean, I like the bodies of it.
Oh yeah.
It looks pretty good, man. I'm not gonna lie. Oh,
That's a launch edition.
This is the guy that was revving. I think. Oh no, it wasn't. The guy's parked inside.
Hey, that's my boy.
All right, now it's getting packed. Very packed. Everybody came from Supercar Saturdays, so they're all coming here. Thank God, because it was a little empty, and the weather's holding up for the most part. We'll see.
Oh, we have a nice breeze coming up. Ooh.
Thank God. That's DM Media right here.
What's up, guys?
So, let's see. Oh, I think they're gonna start up the Pagani. And right on the Supra. Nice. Alright. So as you can tell, this thing got a little bit, just a tiny bit more packed than how it was when I first got here. And there's a couple of Lambos over there, the Urus and Aventador. I think that's an SV. No, that's just an Aventador S, I think. So, of course, it's gonna get more packed after Supercar Saturday. And let's see, I think Parker from Vehicle Virgins is here, and of course Randy from Savage Garage. But I think I'm too camera shy still to go up and tell him anything. So, oh well. Look at that thing. That's a crazy wrap. See what happens here. $720's coming. Crazy. Oh, drag times. Mr. Drag Times just showed up. Alright guys, so check out this 812. By the way, I'm here with my boy Gabe.
What's going on, guys?
He's inspired. Check it out.
Subscribe to him or I want to scratch your tires.
Yeah, man, now I'm gonna have to block that out, man. Damn it. I'm here with him, and we're obviously Wheels Boutique. I haven't left here, but check this out. Cleanest 812 ever, in my opinion, right here. This thing is just nuts. And of course, this thing's just getting more and more packed. You can barely walk now. Just kidding, I could walk, but goddamn. Big old virgins right there.
That boy gonna go deaf, man.
I don't know how he's doing it right now. Yeah, I'm recording 2 things. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's all good. But that thing is loud. Jesus. Where's he going? Oh, he's coming this way. Watch out. Jesus Christ. That thing is loud. That thing is insanely loud. Woo! Hear that thing? Ripping it. Alright, posting on Instagram because that thing is insane.
Take care.
And then we got another crazy R8 over here. Craziest wrap right here. Holy fuck, man. Yo! Here are those fans, baby. Those fans are working, man. That was nuts. That was fucking crazy. Oh, I think she's putting the windows up. It's gonna start raining like crazy. So I think we're gonna go inside now because there goes the rain again. It's been chasing me all day.
Wait a minute, it's raining again?
Again, buddy.
Wait a minute.
Alright guys, so that was pretty much it for the craziness over at Wheels Boutique. And I'm trying to leave, but this guy's trying to do a burnout with his F-150. And only one tire is spinning, which, I mean, at least he's doing a burnout on one side. There it is. One tire. I think he's gonna mess up his car. Or he's gonna mess up his car. I'm sorry, I can't curse. Oh, there it is. Wow. Okay, well, I think that's it for me, man. I'm definitely not gonna be doing a burnout with my car because no thanks. I can't even get through here. Look at this, I can't see anything. Holy shit, can't see anything. Wow. Alright, so what I was saying is that's it for me and this crazy vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I sure did. If you guys don't know about Wheels Boutique, they do tuning, They tune pretty much McLarens, Ferraris, whatever. You name it, they tune it. Exotic cars. And they have the, you know, whatever types of wheels you want, but they mostly work with HRE and Anarchy. So of course, if you don't know what they are, check it out, and see if you hit them up for wheels. Anyways, that's it for me. Again, for the 4th time. I hope you guys like this vlog. It was a little bit different, fun, a little bit crazy, but I sure enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. See you later.